I was promoted.
Congratulations!
Thank you for your continuous support, Grant.
Absolutely. In terms of just building a human connection, you did awesome. Great work.
It was really helpful.
No problem at all. I hope the interview goes well. Well, I'm really happy for you. New job, short commute, no overtime. Those are 3 great things. That was an awesome improvement. Great job. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's much better.
Officially, they called me that I passed all the interviews.
You should be very proud. That was a great presentation.
Thank you.
I promoted.
Congratulations! Huge improvement from last week, Sean.
Salary raise from next month.
Congratulations!
But your system is very great, really.
I really appreciate you.
Absolutely. Well, I am very happy to help you. Congratulations on the new job. I'm really happy for you.
I really want to say thank you.
So, everyone in this video has one thing in common, and that is that they all took action. They didn't tell themselves that they'll improve their English later when it's a good time, or just accept their current life and their current work situation. They knew that they were capable of more, and so they did something about it. If you feel that same way, if you know that you're capable of more in your career and in your life, then don't wait. Take action now so you can start moving towards the life and career that you have always wanted.
I started working with the Grant last year when my wife and I decided to move to the US. Since we started the program, my English has gotten much better, and we were able to move to New Jersey in the US. If you want to move to another country or get a better job in an international company, you should definitely join Grant's program.
Grant's program is by far the best English program that I have ever taken. I really can't recommend him enough.
I think Grant is a very good teacher, and I highly recommend his program.
I've tried tons of English classes before, but nothing is as good as Grant's program.
Grant program will make your presentation so much better. I highly recommend it.
Grant's training was super helpful, and it will definitely make your presentations better.
Grant is the best English teacher I've ever had. I highly recommend his training.
There are a lot of people that speak English well, but that doesn't mean that they can teach English very well. If you want to improve your English presentation skill, all you have to do is just talk with Grant.